In this tutorial, I want to talk about the new TRIMREF feature in Microsoft Excel, where you can adjust how you reference an array of different cells to get it to be trimmed to the way you want it to. So here we have some names right here, and when you just go through and you reference this array to equals reference the array and some cells below it right here, for example, it will spill and have zeros wherever the names are blank right here. But in Excel, now you can adjust these dots right here to have the range trimmed and kind of ignore these blank cells right here. So to trim values that are after the list, so beneath it right here, for example, we can add a dot after these two dots right here. So we add a dot right there, press enter. Now it only grabs this range right here. And let's just say, for example, we're not grabbing B2, we're grabbing B1 through this range, and we'll have a similar feature where it will throw up a 0 on the top. But having a dot right here ignores all the blank cells on the bottom, but now we're grabbing blank cells above, and that's not being ignored. In a similar sort of concept, we can add a dot before the two dots, and there you have it. It will go through and only grab the non-blank cells right here. Let's say we add something right here at the bottom, like Bob, for example. That'll be added to the bottom. You have Joe right here, and it will then grab the blank and then the Joe, because the blank is still kind of within the array. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. This is a cool new feature that might look very simple on the surface, but it's very powerful when combined with a bunch of different things and can make your reporting and data much cleaner and easier and more dynamic. So I hope this was interesting. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.